Here comes Supernature!
Supernature, English language courses for ages 5 to 8 that help build children's English vocabulary and grammar skills while teaching them about plants, animals, ecology, and more.
Psst, hey. Hi, I'm Chloe, and I have a secret I want to share with you. I'm Supernature, and I can turn into anything in nature.
Can you say hello to Chloe? Hello.
Supernature activities are specially designed to fit this age range.
Chloe is a girl, but she's not only a girl, she's also Supernature.
Supernature is far better than anything else I've taught. Much more vocabulary. The children can express themselves in full sentences.
What can we do? What can we do? Excellent, great. Okay, everybody, come up to the table. We're going to act out the story.
Play, drama, music, and song are all part of the Supernature experience.
I'm in the playground.
Oh, a cat is up in the tree. What can we do?
Here comes Supernature! Supernature! I'm in the playground.
Oh, a cat is up in the tree.
Supernature learning materials teach approximately 500 English words in each course,
What can we do?
using terminology found in nature and situations that relate to a child's world.
Here comes Supernature!
Look, it's Supernature. Supernature is a giraffe. Supernature is bringing the cat down.
Supernature gives children a positive feeling towards nature and the world around them.
Thank you, Supernature.
What is it?
Children learn about the environment in a friendly, gentle way, act out stories, learn interesting facts about nature, and all in English.
I'm a cat on Uncle Jack's farm. You're a what? I'm a cat. Meow, 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 here and there. Meow, 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 everywhere.
Supernature courses encourage children to learn spoken English quickly and enthusiastically.
Here we go, Looby-Loo. Here we go, Looby-Light. Here we go, Looby-Loo. All on a Saturday night.
Please open your books on page 9.
I teach 66 children, 2 classes of 33 each. The children love Supernature. They love the books that they work in. They love singing the songs, doing the activities, colouring, sticking, pasting, playing games. In general, we have a great lesson.
Red, red, the apple is red. Blue, blue, look at my shoe.
Red, red, the apple.
Supernature gives children a comprehensive and interactive English learning system.
Since Doreen started learning Supernature, she has the confidence to speak English.
What's your name?
My name is Doreen.
Good. What's your name? Let's say it again. What's your name?
My name is Tamara.
Great, Tamar.
The teacher's guide is laid out very, very nicely. Everything is laid out in front of the teacher. You don't have to prepare anything really in advance.
Let's see what animals we have on the board. Oh, yes, you know an animal?
Cow.
Cow.
The extra-large card format is unique. Even children furthest from the front can participate fully in the lesson.
I know the children learn a lot because I check it at the beginning of every lesson.
Here comes Supernature!
Thank you, Supernature.
Great. Once more.
Thank you, Supernature.
The apple is red. Blue, blue, look at
Find out more about bringing the unique Supernature courses to your school.
red, red, the apple is red. Blue,
Bye-bye, Supernature.
look at my shoe. Red, red, the apple is red. Blue, blue, look at my shoe.